Now, honey, you better sit down and look around, cause you must have bumped your head. And I love you enough to talk some sense back into you, baby. I hate to see you come home, leave the kids and the dog is gone. Check my computer.